Welcome to our channel. Today we how to optimize community outreach with Facebook easy tutorial step by step clearly. Start by logging into your Facebook account. Navigate to your Facebook page designed for your community outreach. Click on the Community tab located on the left side of your page. This section will serve as your hub for engaging with your audience. Next, create a post to announce your outreach initiative. Be clear and concise about what your initiative involves. Use eye-catching visuals to grab attention. Consider using a video or a stunning image related to your cause. Next, utilize Facebook events to organize any upcoming outreach activities. Click on the Create Event button and fill in all relevant details. Include the date, time, and location of the event. Make sure to set the event privacy to public to reach a wider audience. After your event is created, share it across your other social media platforms. Promote the event within local community groups on Facebook. Engage with your audience by responding to comments promptly. Encourage followers to share your posts to increase visibility. Utilize Facebook Live to host interactive sessions about your initiative. Schedule a live session and promote it ahead of time. During the session, engage with viewers by answering their questions in real time. Post follow-up content after each outreach activity to keep the momentum going. Share photos, stories, and testimonials to highlight your impact. Consider creating a community group focused on your outreach efforts. This space can foster more in-depth discussions and collaborations. Regularly update this group with news and upcoming activities. Use Facebook Insights to track engagement and adjust your strategy accordingly. Analyze which types of content resonate best with your audience. Finally, continuously refine your approach based on feedback and engagement metrics. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.